everyone, so this is Ryan. I'm here with my daughter, Ella. Miss you guys, hope everyone's doing well. We wanted to share with you a chocolate chip banana muffin with you guys. It can be all down in one bowl. All these are just all the ingredients measured out so we can make it a little bit quicker for you guys and to show you. So, we buy bananas in this house and we don't really eat them.
All.
Yeah, we don't eat them all. And usually then we'll end up with a nice brown banana, a little bit soft, well, a little bit quite soft, but these are the best to bake with because they're just so sweet then. All this sugar has like really worked up. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So we have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, which is just the regular standard flour. You can use whole wheat flour, gluten-free flour. I'm not sure about almond flour, but you could try. Then you have a cup of granulated white sugar. Then you have, what do you have here, Ella? A teaspoon of baking soda. Then you have
baking powder. Soda.
Yeah, soda. Then, which will make it rise. This is your leveling agent. Without this, you're just gonna have a really flat muffin. Then you have a half a teaspoon of salt, which is balances off the sweetness, so then it will be super sweet. Then you're gonna have 3 mashed bananas. Right now we have 2 in here. Okay, they're so soft that literally you just peel it. That's our oven preheated. See, it's so soft that like it's so easy to peel and it's like mushy almost. But that's okay. That means it's really sweet. It probably wouldn't be that great to eat by itself like that, but it'll be good to bake with. So that up for me. Thanks. Okay, and then you just mash it. That's all you do. And it's so soft that it just mashes very easily. Thank you, Ella. Then you have 1 egg, half a cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a cup of chocolate chips. Now, we have mini chocolate chips because we ran out of the regular size chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips, you don't have to add them. It's just, you know, a little treat in there. You can add walnuts if you wanted. You can add nothing. Just leave it as a banana muffin. So, as I was reading this recipe, I really liked it because it's all one bowl and you don't need an electric mixer. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to whisk all together all your dry ingredients. So that's your flour, 1.5 cups, your cup of sugar, your teaspoon, I have to look at the measurement, of baking soda. Okay.
So I can work out if you use baking powder.
And make sure you wash your hands, which we did. And we put our hair up for the girls, or any boys that have longer hair. And we preheated our oven to 350, so that beep, that's what that was. And we also put baking cups on our cupcake tin. This is a 12, okay? Now, if you don't have baking cups, that's fine. Just grease your tins, okay? With a little bit of vegetable oil on a napkin, it's just fine. Or if you have the cooking spray, even better. Okay, so Ella's gonna whisk, okay? Now don't go crazy whisking, because then you're just gonna get flour everywhere. And it's gonna be such a mess, which is not always that bad, but you know, just a nice quick whisk. It's good. All right, now we're gonna get into the wet ingredients. Now we have our mashed bananas, looking pretty good. Go ahead, add that in there. Looks like baby food. There you go. Okay, so that's easy. Sweet, yeah. All right, then we have an egg. And if you want to make it a little easier, you could always re-whisk the egg, like slightly. That way when you mix it in there, it will be so good. Then Then you have half a cup of vegetable oil.
Or just don't use olive oil.
Yeah, don't use olive oil because it'll burn and it won't taste that great. Like at least vegetable oil, you can't really taste it. You can use canola oil as well. Or if you have applesauce and you want to replace the vegetable oil with applesauce, you can. You use the same amount. So if you have a half a cup of vegetable oil, use half a cup of applesauce. Makes it a little healthier too. Then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay? You can always add a little extra in there too. And then you're just gonna whisk it. Break the egg yolk. Yep. And then carefully just whisk it. And just careful, don't over whisk things or mix like batters when it comes to like cake batters or muffins or cupcakes, because if you keep doing that, it's gonna get make the batter really tough and really dense, so it'll be almost like a bagel. So you don't want, yeah, you don't want that. I mean, I'm sure it tastes fine, but it won't be nice and fluffy.
Like we want.
Yeah. And the good thing about cooking with bananas, it makes everything really moist. Good. Need me help?
I got it.
It is a little tough. So you do need to like use those muscles, well, elbow grease in there. There you go. Get those sides.
Strains your arm.
Alright. And sometimes like you'll get just like this, like batter in that whisk. Just lightly tap to get all that and then whisk again. Alright. You're not gonna need this now. No, you're not gonna need this. I'm trying to think of the next step. Alright, then we're gonna add, if you have it, the chocolate chips. If you have other candies, like if you have like M&M's or something, add it in there, whatever, you know? It's your muffin.
Blueberries.
Ooh, blueberries. But just careful with blueberries because they release a lot of moisture. So it'll make the batter kind of wet. So if you do add them in there, you just want to make sure you don't add that many, and add like roll them in flour. That way they won't sink to the bottom. All right, that's looking pretty good. It's a lot of chocolate chips. Whatever.
No one's complaining.
All right. Have a little fun. More music. All right. Now, just scoop it in. There's a few ways you could do it, okay? I have an ice cream scoop, okay? And this is what we're gonna use. No, leave it there.
Okay.
Because that way we can like scoop all the batter. Okay, so if you have an ice cream scoop, you can use an ice cream scoop. If you don't, you can use a 1/4 measuring cup, and this is about the same, okay? And this works just fine. You just have, when you do it, you just have to do that and use like a spoon to scoop it out, okay? Or if you have a ladle, you can use a ladle as well, okay? We're gonna use the scoop, the ice cream scoop. I'll do one and I'll do the rest. So a nice big old scoop. I'll do one, I'll do the rest.
Well, that'd be very evenly distributed.
Well, a nice heaping scoop, all right? And then from there, we'll just take a look. All right, here we go. Hey, all right? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so nice heaping scoop. There you go. That's quite a bit. All right, well, we're gonna put these in the oven and then fill in another tray. I thought I made only 12, but I guess I was wrong. Let's put a little more in this one. This is where you go back and just make sure they're as even as possible. You just have to, didn't look that one right.
Yeah.
Yeah, just gotta eyeball it at this point. Okay? All right, and we'll come back to you when it is all baked, and we'll give it a little taste test. All right, see you soon. All right, guys, we're back. Okay, just realized, Ella told me, really, I didn't tell you at what temperature to heat up the oven. What is it?
350.
minutes, 350 degrees. Okay?
Preheat.
Preheat. So before you start anything, you preheat it. Make sure that the rack is in the middle. And depending on your oven, it will take 15 to 20 minutes to bake the muffins. I did 15 first. I always go the lowest amount of time first, just in case, because you can always add more time. You can't take it away. Oh boy. And it took us, it was still raw in the middle, so I had another 4 minutes and it was perfect. Okay, so it was 19 minutes total for us. I took them out. Ella can usually do it too because she's done it before. But if you don't bake normally, have an adult take out the muffins for you.
You should have gloves also.
Yes.
Or
if you do take them out, if you're allowed to, you have permission, oven mitts, 2 oven mitts, and make sure your hands are dry and the oven mitt is dry, because if you stick your hand in the hot oven, you're gonna get a steam burn, okay? Painful, very painful. All right, it made 18 for me. It can make 16 and if you want larger muffins. But it came out pretty good. I took one and popped it in the freezer real quick. Oh! I cut it in half. Oh, to check if they're done, I usually use a knife and then like I go in the middle, right? And if it comes out clean, then you're good. If you do add chocolate chips, you're gonna get like melted chocolate chips. If that's all you have, and maybe like a few little crumbs, and it's done too, okay? Or if you don't use this, which again, you should probably have an adult do this part, you can also use a toothpick. Okay? If you have it, same thing. Stick it in.
New one too.
Okay? If it comes out clean, again, there's just chocolate there. That's it, and that's fine. Stop, Ella, come on. Alright. Alright, so.
I call this half.
You call that half. This is what it looks like on the inside. Nice, Ella. Thank you for waiting. Mmm. Okay?
Oh my god.
Nice and moist. Ding. Right.
Right on my first bite, definitely.
Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
5 stars.
4 Ramsey stuff here.
Alright guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully some of you get to try it. If you do, post a picture in Classroom. I want to see them. And let me know if you like them, if not. Or if not. Which is fine too, you know? Not everybody likes banana. We just happen to love it. Alright. Hopefully, we'll see you soon, okay? Miss you guys. Bye.
Bye.